Hi everyone and welcome to your channel IELTS Perfection. Are you looking to sound more natural and confident in IELTS Speaking Part 3? Idioms can be your secret weapon. Today I'll teach you 10 simple idioms that are easy to use and can impress the examiner. And I'll show you exactly how to use them in your answers. Let's get started. Number 1. Break the ice. It means to start a conversation in a relaxed way.
How can people improve communication at work?
Team building activities are great for breaking the ice. When people get to know each other in a relaxed setting, it becomes easier to communicate during work.
Number 2. Make ends meet. It means to earn just enough money to live.
Why do some people work multiple jobs?
Many people take extra jobs because they struggle to make ends meet, especially with rising living costs. It's often the only way to cover their expenses.
Number 3. Once in a blue moon. It means very rarely.
Do you think people go out as much as they used to?
Not really. These days, people go out once in a blue moon because they're busy or prefer staying at home with online entertainment.
Number 4. A piece of cake. It means something very easy.
Do you think learning a new language is difficult?
For some people, it's a piece of cake, especially if they're exposed to it regularly. For others, it can take more effort and practice.
Number 5. In hot water. Means to be in trouble.
Should people be careful with what they post on social media?
Definitely, a careless post can land someone in hot water, like losing their job or facing criticism. It's always better to think before posting.
Number 6. Under the weather. It means feeling unwell.
Should people take breaks when they're not feeling well?
Yes, if someone is under the weather, they should rest. It helps them recover faster and avoid spreading illness to others.
Number 7. The early bird catches the worm. It means being early or prepared leads to success.
Do you think planning is important for success?
Yes, the early bird catches the worm. Starting early gives you a head start and helps avoid last-minute stress.
Number 8. On cloud 9. It means being very happy.
How do people feel when they achieve their goals?
They feel on cloud 9 because it's rewarding to see their hard work pay off. Achieving goals brings a sense of pride and joy.
Number 9. Hit the books. Means to study hard.
Do you think students spend enough time studying?
Some students hit the books seriously, especially before exams, but many get distracted by social media or other activities.
And number 10. Get the ball rolling. It means to start something.
What's the best way to start a big project?
The best way is to get the ball rolling with small steps. It builds momentum and makes the project less overwhelming.
Make your own sentences with the idioms and comment them below. I'll give you feedbacks and correct them if they're wrong. Keep studying hard, and I'll see you in the next lesson.